Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in the course of Java Eclipse IDE. Today we will talk about some important feature of Java Eclipse IDE. Java Eclipse IDE has ability to create some codes automatically. Like we create a class in this class we create two variables, okay, private num1 private int num1 int private num int num2 int. Okay, now we will move to the auto generation code feature of Java Eclipse IDE. We will use keyboard shortcut keys Shift plus Alt plus S, Shift Alt S, Shift Alt S. It will show this dialog box. Okay, first of all we will go to its generate getters and setters. For private classes we make getters and setters, it take a long time, but in Eclipse it will automatically create getters and setters. Now let's check generate getters and setters. It will first ask, we will select all num1 and num2, then generate. We can see that its getters and setters are created automatically. Okay, similarly we press again Shift Alt S, Shift Alt S, and can also create its hash code. We can also manually create its hash code, but it takes a long time. But Java Eclipse has a feature that it can automatically generate, so it generates hash code. It automatically generate its hash code. You can see that here is its hash code, which is take long time, but it automatically create. Similarly, if we press Shift Alt S, now we can also generate to string. It will also automatically generate it. We can also generate methods, get num, whatever we want, but we want only these two in fields. Okay, similarly we press again Alt Shift S, Alt Shift S. It's auto create override method. We can also create clone and finalize both its override method. Okay, it will create it. Today we discussed about shortcut keys Shift Alt plus S. This shows the automatic generation code feature of Eclipse IDE. Hope you will all understand. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.